Next practice set 19. It says, draw the pairs of angles as described below. If that is not possible, say why. Now we have to draw certain pair of angles given in the question. Now for this practice set, you will be requiring pencil, ruler and a protractor to draw specific angles. Now first one, complementary angles that are not adjacent. We have to draw complementary angle. Complementary angles means both the angles when drawn, the sum is 90 degree, and that should not be adjacent. Adjacent means beside each other. So what we will do, we will draw it separately. I am using a set square instead of a ruler because I don't have ruler right now. I am drawing the base. Now to be a 90 degree, you can choose any pair. I am taking 50 degree, and 40 degree. You have to name the angles properly. Now see, 50 degree, 40 degree, these two angles are complementary and they are not adjacent. See, they are not adjacent, clearly we can see. Let us name them A, B, C and P, Q, R. Okay, next. Angles in linear pair which are not supplementary. Linear pair which are not supplementary. Now linear pair, we know that some linear pair are the angles which is in a straight line which are adjacent and they are also supplementary. Linear pair angles always add up to 180 degree which is supplementary. So we cannot draw this angle. What we will write here? Can we draw this? No. No, we cannot draw these pair because, why? Because linear pair are always supplementary. So this is our reason. Because linear pair, when we add up, they are always 180 degree and they are always supplementary. And your question says we have to draw a linear pair which is not supplementary. So hence we cannot draw these angles. Now third one, complementary angles that do not form linear pair. We have to draw complementary angles that do not form linear pair. Again, complementary angle means when we add up, the sum is 90 degree and it should not be a linear pair. So there are many ways. First way is we can draw together, and second way is we can draw separately, the way we drew in first sum. Now I will show you both the cases. Out of these two, you have to draw any one. Now together, how we will draw it together? Complementary angle means which add up to 90 degree. So I am drawing the base. Now this is 90 degree, X, Y, Z. In that I will be taking one more angle, angle 30 degree. Okay, so this is 30 degree and this is 60 degree. I am writing here M. So see, there are two angles, XYZ and MYZ. Both these angles together make complementary angle, because when we add them it is 90 degree. So these angles can be drawn together. Separately, how we can draw separately? The way we drew in first sum, separately. Yeah. Condition is they should not be linear pair. Now this is not linear pair. Angles are not in straight line, and hence also when we add up it is not supplementary angle. So this condition can be done. First one is together and second one is separately. Let me show you second part also. I am taking here 20 degree. Now along with 20 degree we have to draw 70 degree. So next will be 70 degree. You can draw bigger one. Since I have no space, I am drawing smaller angle. And again I am saying that out of these two you have to draw any one. This is 70. So again these two are complementary angles. See, complementary angle that do not form a linear pair. They are not forming a linear pair. These are also complementary angle, not forming a linear pair. Okay, so out of these two, any one we have to draw. Next, fourth one, adjacent angles which are not in a linear pair. We have to draw adjacent angles which are not in a linear pair. Okay. Adjacent means again one beside the other. So we can draw random angles of random measurements. Okay, so X, Y, Z and B. So XYB and BYZ, they are adjacent angle and they are not a linear pair. Okay, they are not forming a linear pair. Now what is linear pair? Angle in a straight line. Two angles in a straight line. So these two angles are not in a straight line. These two are just adjacent and they are not a linear pair. Also the sum is not 180 degree. So this can be drawn. Let us see next one. Next is angles which are neither complementary nor adjacent. It should not be complementary, it should not be adjacent. So obviously we have to draw it separately. Why? Because it is not adjacent. So we will be drawing two angles separately of random measurements. And such that it should not be a complementary. It can be more than 90 degree, it can be less than 90 degree, but it should not be 90 degree. Like when we add, it can be more than 90 degree, the sum can be more than 90 degree. The difference when we subtract, it can be or it can be less than 90 degree, but when we add it should not be 90 degree, because condition says that angle should not be complementary nor adjacent. When we are drawing separately, this condition is fulfilled. Second condition we have to keep in mind when we are taking the measurements. So if I am taking here 70 degree and 60 degree. So 70 degree and 60 degree, when we add, see this is 70 and 60. So when we add these two, answer is 130 degrees. So it is not complementary. So you can take any measurements on your own. Don't forget to name the angles. Now both conditions are fulfilled, neither complementary nor adjacent. Okay. Last one. angles in a linear pair which are complementary. We have to draw angle in a linear pair which are complementary. Now linear pair are adjacent to each other, first condition. Second condition, that they are 180 degree. Sum is 180 degree. Now complementary sum is 90 degree. So no, we cannot draw this. Because same reason we will write, because linear pair are always supplementary. Okay, so we are done with this practice set.